press the fan button all the way to 3.
We could have had freaking lunch.
And then to 3. Yeah, you have to sit closer or push it to you, closer to you.